Deep in the heart of the emerald jungle lived Kabir, a tiger with bright orange fur and very long whiskers. Kabir was the strongest and fastest animal around, but he had one very big problem. He always wanted more than he needed. One sunny morning, Kabir stumbled upon a magical clearing filled with mountains of delicious treats. There were sweet berries, golden honey, and piles of snacks. "This is all for me," Kabir cheered, his eyes widening with greed. Kabir didn't just eat until he was full. He kept eating until his tummy was as round as a giant pumpkin. He gobbled every last berry and licked every drop of honey. He didn't think about tomorrow at all. When it was time to go home, Kabir tried to stand up. "Oof," he groaned. His legs felt heavy, and his tummy dragged on the soft grass. He was so full that he couldn't run, leap, or even trot. "I will just take a little nap," Kabir decided, yawning a very wide yawn. He flopped down under a shady tree and fell fast asleep. He slept through the afternoon, through the cool night, and even through the next morning. When Kabir finally woke up, his stomach made a sound like a distant thunderstorm. Grumble, wumble, roar. He was hungry again. He looked around for food, but the clearing was empty and the snacks were all gone. Kabir saw a tasty snack hopping through the tall grass. Usually, he would catch it in a single bound. He tried to pounce, but he was too slow and clumsy. Thump! He landed face first in the dirt while the snack hopped safely away. For 3 days, Kabir went hungry. He was too heavy to hunt and too lazy to climb. He sat by a sparkling stream, feeling very small and very silly. "I wish I hadn't been so greedy," he sighed to his reflection. A tiny, colorful bird named Pippa landed on a branch above him. "Kabir," she chirped, "a tiger who eats too much today has nothing for tomorrow. If you only take what you need, you will always be ready for the hunt." Kabir realized Pippa was right. From that day on, he only ate what he needed to stay strong. He became the fastest tiger in the jungle once again, and he never went hungry because he finally knew the value of enough.